Hi everyone. I want to show you very quickly how to give yourself a virtual background, and that way if you're meeting with students or others on Zoom, you don't have to worry about whether or not you've got like a laundry monster behind you or maybe children pillow fighting, something like this. Alright, so if you go onto your screen, if something's not showing, you might have to hover onto the bottom to bring this bar up. And over here in the bottom left by your video camera, there's a little up arrow. So just click that, and on the bottom here is choose a virtual background. And if you click that, Zoom actually has three default choices. So we can be right on the west coast, we could be the size of an ant, or we could be in outer space. And but I'll let you know that you can actually find images, add images of your own that you want, just by clicking this add image and then uploading into this image carrier here. And so you can choose from different backgrounds. So often I'm a coffee drinker, so sometimes I like to just sort of feel like I'm in a cafe. So that's all you have to do. Depending on your setup, you may have to get a green screen, but these days, I used to have to use one, but now I don't. So maybe just making sure that your Zoom is the latest edition. So as you can see, unfortunately, what it ends up doing though is shows the bad quality of my camera itself, because the background is such a good quality. But that's okay. I'm fine with that. All right. So hope that helps. Have fun with it. I think one of the things that really helps students is showing that we can have some fun.